In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to set up free shipping in WooCommerce. Woocommerce is an open-source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. Many e-commerce websites on WordPress use Woocommerce. If you want to start your own e-commerce website, then Woocommerce is one plugin that will help you get started very quickly. We have a video explaining how to install Woocommerce in WordPress. You can check it out. I'll link it in the description below. In this video, I'll show you how to set up free shipping in WooCommerce. You can offer free shipping to your customers above a certain order price to encourage them to buy your product. To set this up, in your dashboard, go to WooCommerce, then click on Settings. Now click on the shipping options. If you don't have a shipping zone set up, you can do that by clicking here. I'll edit this shipping zone that I already have. Now under the shipping methods, I'll just disable the local pickup shipping method. Then click here on Add Shipping Method. Here you get three options for shipping methods: flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. Select free shipping. Then click on Add Shipping Method. Now click on Edit to edit this shipping method. You can change the title from here. Now, in the free shipping requirements section, you can add the condition for the free shipping feature. It can be a minimum order amount or a coupon. When you select a requirement, you can then configure them. If you want to provide free shipping over all your products, then just select this. Then click on Save Changes. And that's it. This is how you can set up free shipping in WooCommerce. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.